Let's talk about final, finally, finalize. This is one of the most commonly asked Java interview questions, and it's important to get it right. It falls under core Java, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. These three keywords sound similar but are completely unrelated. Final is a modifier. Final variable is equal to constant. Final method is equal to can't override. Final class is equal to can't extend. Finally is a block in try-catch that always executes cleanup code. Finalize is a method called by the garbage collector before destroying an object. It's deprecated since Java 9 and should never be used. Now, why does this matter in interviews? This is a classic tricky question that tests vocabulary precision. Mixing them up signals lack of Java fundamentals. Knowing that finalize is deprecated shows you're up to date. Let me go deeper. Final on a reference variable means the reference can't change, but the object it points to can still be mutated. Final list, string, list is equal to new array list. You can add to the list, but can't reassign list to a new array list. Finally runs even if an exception is thrown or a return statement executes in the try block. The only cases where finally doesn't run, system.exit, JVM crash, or infinite loop in try. Finalize was meant for releasing native resources but was unreliable. GC timing is unpredictable. Use try with resources and cleaner instead. Let's look at the code for final, finally, finalize. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that final, constant, can't override, can't extend. Then, list is equal to new array list, error, can't reassign. Then, finally, cleanup, always runs. Then, finalize, deprecated since Java 9, don't use. And finally, at override protected void finalize. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, final is not equal to immutable. Final prevents reassignment of the reference, not mutation of the object. A final array list can still be modified. Here's a dangerous trap, finally plus return. If both try and finally have return statements, finally's return wins. This is a common trick question. And a pro tip, finalize is dead. Deprecated in Java 9, remove for removal in Java 18. Use try with resources, auto-closable, for resource cleanup. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Final is equal to compile time restriction. Finally is equal to runtime guarantee. Finalize is equal to garbage, literally deprecated. Never use finalize. And for your interview strategy, start with a clear one-liner for each, then dive into the final reference gotcha and the finally return trick. Mention finalize is deprecated. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.